L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
I'm going to cook this for another 2 minutes and we'll come back. And we're going to aim for internal temperature for 1
L.
Now we have preset our oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to be doing this for 17 minutes. Here we have our steak going in. So here now I'm making a small amount of garlic butter sauce just to baste the steak. I'm using butter with rosemary and some garlic and the burnt on bits from the steak that we just cooked on the griddle. So now we have a reading of 138. We're going to take it out at this point due to the fact that meat has carryover time. So we're aiming for a 140, 145 reading, and that's where the carryover time comes in. Alright, so here now I just set on my potatoes, so go ahead and cook and we'll see this in 8 minutes time. I have my salmon, my pink salmon, nicely cleaned up, deboned and descaled, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in nice servings for 3 or 4 persons. I have my fish nicely cut. I'm gonna go ahead and season this with like a salt and pepper, and then we're gonna sear them off. Alright, so here now, as you can see, I would have finished searing off our fish. Now it's time to plate up.